Hello students, today I am going to explain you from exercise 7.2, fourth question. So the question is, find the ratio in which the line joining the points. So there are 2 points and you have to find out the ratio where the endpoints are these two, and it is divided by the point of division, that is -1 and 6. So that ratio, into what ratio the line which joins these 2 points has divided by this point. That ratio you have to find out here. So first let us consider here. Let A be the point -3, 10, and B be the point 6 and -8. And this is a line. Let us take A here -3, 10. Here B is 6 -8. And you have to find out the ratio. Let us take line joining the point. So we are joining this point. So here there is line AB is divided by, so there is 1 point. So let us take that to be P here, point of division. And this point of division, it divides the line into the some ratio. That ratio we have to find out. Usually we will take as M1 is to M2. But here what we'll do, instead of M1 plus M2, whenever ratio is asked, you have to take what? K is to 1, remember. And where K is equals to what? M1 upon M2. So it means what? No need to find out the value of 1 because 1 is constant. So it will be same. Just you have to find out the value of K. So here also you have to use the section formula, because how the ratios are formed? By point of division. That is what? It is dividing this line into the 2 parts. It means what? You have to use the section formula. So in section formula, what we'll do? We'll find out the section formula is of the x coordinate and the y coordinate, isn't it? So let us write first section formula here. Is what? M1 and here x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the formula to find out the x coordinate, and already x coordinate it is given, that is -1. This formula will give the x coordinate of point of division. So point of division is P, and the y coordinate, that is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So here if we take the ratio as K is to 1, so you can use any one. You can use the formula of x or you can use the formula of y, so that you will get the ratio that is K is to 1. So any one you have to use here. So I would like to use first one. So this will give the x coordinate of point of division. So that is what? Here -1. So let us write here, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x and this is y. So we will write the formula for x. So this is the formula for x. So from that formula we are going to find out the value of K, plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. And here M1 M2 gives the ratio, and we are going to take the ratio as K is to 1. So you can write here, let A and B are the points which joins the line AB in the ratio K is to 1. So let this be the point. So A and B were taken are the points divided by P. Let us take -1 in the ratio K is to 1. Otherwise you can show the same thing using this figure also. So here you have to replace M1 and M2 by K and 1. So let us replace this K x2 plus M2 with 1, and here x1 divided by K plus 1. So here K we don't know, x we know. X is what? -1. x2, put the respective values. So K into x2 plus 1 into x1. So x1 is -3 divided by K plus 1. As we don't know the value of K, we have to find out the value of K here. So let us find out. So this K plus 1, I will bring this side. So it will be minus K minus 1, because we are going to multiply this k plus 1 with minus 1, equals to k into 6 is 6k, then plus minus is minus, 1 into 3 is 3 here. So now only we have the variable k here, and this is simple equation. We can solve this. So I'll bring this k this side, 6k minus k will be plus k, minus 1 as it is, minus 3 I will bring this side, so it is plus 3. So this is 2 equals to 7k. Further, k equals to 2 by 7. And as we have taken, k is nothing but what? m1 divided by m2. So let us write here 2 divided by 7, and k is m1 upon m2. So what is the value of? Equate the numerator and denominator. So m1 is 2 and m2 is 7. Therefore, the line joining the point, or you can write required ratio is 2:7. So if you don't want to use this x and this formula, you can use the y. You will get the same answer. So that also I'll show you here. So y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So replace m1 m2 with k and 1 respectively. K y1 plus 1 into k y2, and here 1 into y1 divided by k plus 1. So y we know, that is 6. K we don't know, y2 is minus 8. Put the values carefully. 1 into y1 is 10, then k plus 1. Now here we have the constants and the variable k. So find out that 6 and k plus 1 will get multiplied. So 6k plus 6 equals to minus 8k. 1 into 10 is 10. So find the value of k here. So I'll bring this k that side to make this positive. So 6k, always keep the sign of variable to be positive. So this is plus 8k equals to 10 near minus 6. So here it is 14k equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. So find out the value of k, 4. Bring this 14 this side, it will be get divided. So 4 and 14 has the HCF as 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 7s are. So we got here k as 2 by 7. And here previous method also we got here 2 by 7. So therefore k is nothing but m1 upon m2. That is 2 is to 2 upon 7. So here m1 is 2 and m2 is 7. So therefore required ratio is, so don't interchange this. The first one is m1 and second one is m2. So like this you can find out the ratios when two points are given, endpoints, and the line is formed and it is divided by the point of division in the particular ratio. And it's when it is asked the ratio, use k is to 1 as the ratio.